again turenda guteithia the environment turenda carbon emissions nikyo kihitokoro ungirona sheria ire ithomagwo the mischief rule mischief ya sheria ino ni gutuma to reduce the carbon emissions no kana hihi gari ici no iniraheana employment tondu kwina ndereba kwina ikanga kwina kamagira ono kuno kumarutaga ya dwasako there are people who are employed kogo ni kumahutia muko non bado no marageria guteithia the environment na carbon emissions na nikio okarora andu mara advice president ye rucia andu mena muthako tondu ungirona okiria Michael Ligauga haha acho ni mara benefit na such laws tondu gari ya maragura ciao they are almost free na ungirona ginya Parliamentary Service Commission maroni maria maheago zero interest kogo they have the money no riu mu Kenya wa kawaida we ni aguthimika no karora sheria no ni irateithia environment no ni irahinya muhuko nikyo itago conflict na koligwa kwa ni a very good expert mwero ucio especially mwero wa carbon emissions and all no how to tax assets. I think it is proper to tax assets todo dokariganiro among the principles share the tax regime is equality na nikyo koragwo na county land rates and rents todo ugakora ginya hihi andu mena plots ne marihaga capital gains which is very important todo giona slogan yake ya itself ni tulipe ushuru tujitegemee na no the issue ni are they punitive mawatho maya ni marahinyiriria mundu todo mawatho maya ni mega no ni marahinyiriria mundu so